But wait, there's more. Boolean operators. Now, Boolean data types always evaluate to true or false. Boolean operators are connected to those Boolean data types only in that they both belong to a branch of logic called Boolean logic. Anybody ever had the logic class here at BC? That's one of the philosophy courses. Very interesting. Very connected to computer science, interestingly enough. Logic. So you have a philosophy class that's a computer science class in disguise. It's interesting. Boolean operators are one of these three words, and, or not. And with these three words, we can create overly complex expressions that look like this. Okay? If x is 11, is this true or false? It's false, because for this to be true, a number would have to be greater than 2, and also, both of these have to be true. So, and also less than 10. So give me a number for x that would make this true. 9. 9 would, anything between that's greater than 2 and less than 10, inclusive of all decimals. Now this one is an or. So it has to be greater than 12 or less than 10. There is one integer that will make this false. 11. If it's 11, it will be false. Any other integer would be true. Probably be easier to say, is x equal to or 11 or not equal to 11, right? So, and here's an interesting one. If it's not, x equals 5. So any other number than 5. There's an easier way to say this though, right? If I'm using the inequality test. So if I say x exclamation point equals 5, that's the same thing. Now we're getting really fun, right? We start stringing these together with nots and ands and ors. One integer will make this true, and that is 11. Okay? Everything else would be false. So we can string together even more. I could put an or, an and. You can go crazy with these Boolean operators and really create some complex situations. My personal feeling is if you're using more than like one or two Boolean operators, you're probably going to be confusing yourself at some point. So my personal feeling is it's better to use what's called nested if statements. So you have an if statement, then one inside that. So you can say this is true, then it'll test for that second condition. You can break them up into smaller chunks to make it less confusing. If you've got really advanced Boolean logic, everybody, including your future self, will have a hard time following this.